Moving on now, Bollywood has declared war on the censor board, uniting in full support of Anurag Kashyap and his highly anticipated movie Udta Punjab. Now, from questioning the censor board to demanding an apology, the most noted filmmakers joined hands against what they call as muzzling freedom of expression. Now, a cornered censor board chief has refuted all the allegations and in fact accused Anurag Kashyap of publicity stunts. Clearly, this war is not over yet. The Aam Aadmi Party has also jumped in after Pailaj Nilani accused Anurag Kashyap of having AAP's support and being politically motivated. Well, the Udta Punjab row has widened to becoming a fight of censorship versus freedom of expression. The Hindi film industry has come together to support Udta Punjab and fight the brazen censorship. Almost the entire fraternity came together yesterday evening to protest against CBFC chief Pailaj Nilani's excesses against Udta Punjab. In a press conference in Mumbai, leading filmmakers as well as producers of the industry voiced their concerns in an unusual show of unity.
Are you asking me technically, do I like the film?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
It's a very well-made film.
Okay, and what about what you suggest?
The censor portion of filmmaking comes at the time of almost the release, when everything is set up, distribution, theaters, publicity, marketing. And at that point of time, if there's an obstacle in the way of getting certification, then it sets you back. And that really is bothersome. So I hope that we can devise a system where there is like certification rather than censor. Because censor is, as I said, don't try and kill creativity. I think we're all must have the freedom to create because we're in this field. And all we have is our soul to be able to create that. When you kill our creativity, you kill our soul. And that would be detrimental to the profession per se.
I think जो मैंने पढ़ा है न्यूज़ में उड़ता पंजाब के बारे में तो मुझे बड़ा दुख हुआ है. I think it's very unfortunate that the film is going through so many problems. It's very important that filmmakers have a voice which is not throttled, That's very important. In any society, the voice of the artist should be free to speak what it wants to speak.
We need a better rating system. We need to enforce the rating system. If a film is made for children and if a film is made for 15-year-olds, you have to be strict about who gets to go and see those films and why that film has been rated a certain way. But once a film reaches adult rating, it's up to the adult. नहीं तो कब बड़े हो जाएंगे हम? I think it's really up to the adult to choose what they want. और ये reality के ऊपर है ये film. So I think it's important that we don't hide reality from our public.
And Bollywood's leading producer has locked horns with the chief of the Film Certification Board. Anurag Kashyap has demanded an apology from Pailaj Nilani for calling him a political stooge. Meanwhile, the CBFC chief has accused Anurag Kashyap of having the backing of the Aam Aadmi Party. Nilani has accused the filmmaker of seeking cheap publicity, and along these lines, Kashyap has now demanded an apology.
We have not been asked, we have not counted the number of cuts. They have asked to remove Punjab. The Punjab itself, I think, probably comes 50-60 times in the film.
हमने 72% ऑफ फिल्म जब से मैं आया हूँ, जिसके अंदर एक भी फिल्म में 72%, मतलब आप समझिए एक साल में 72% फिल्म को क्लियर विदाउट कट दिया गया है.